this video we shall learn about agro-based industries in Bihar and important aspect of these industries in Bihar. First, let's start from agro-based industries. Given the existing cropping pattern of Bihar, the state has substantial comparative advantage for agro-based industries. So we know that 80% of the population living in Bihar depend on agriculture and live in rural areas. So when we talk about agro-based industries, so agro-based industry is directly related to agriculture-based industry. That is production of agriculture that occurs in Bihar and that is sent to industries for its further processing. So the comparative advantage is reflected in the pattern of investment in the food processing industry. So of course that is it is related to agro-based industry, and first we shall talk about food processing industry. So this advantage of agriculture in Bihar is directly reflected in food processing industries of Bihar. The Bihar Industrial Area Development Authority, that is BIARDA, Bihar Industrial Area Development Authority reports that in last 2 years a sum of 742.54 crore has been invested in food processing industries. That is the highest among all the industries classified under high priority sector. So the monetary that is invested most in Bihar is in food processing industries, and in last 2 years the sum of 742 crore approx has been invested in food processing industries. Now let's come to sugar industry. Sugar industry, Bihar accounts for 3.5% of total sugar cane production in India. This is important. Bihar accounts for 3.5% of total sugarcane production in India. 3.5%, remember. The state government has been seriously harnessing the potential of sugarcane cultivation and sugar production. So that is that if our Bihar, our state is contributing 3.5% of total sugarcane production in India, then it is obvious that the state government has been seriously harnessing the potential of sugarcane cultivation and sugar production, and it is important too. The sugar production also becomes very important as the byproducts obtained from the production of process have multiple uses. So when we produce sugar from sugar cane, then the byproducts that is being produced by production of sugar from sugar cane is very important and it has multiple uses. The most important byproducts of the sugar industry are cane top, bagasse, filter muds, molasses, and cane tops cane tops are primarily used for animal feed. So it is very important as animal feed. And bagasse is the fibrous residue of the cane after cane crushing and can be used to generate electricity. So this is also important that the bagasse is used for generating electricity. The fibrous residue of the cane after cane crushing and can be used to generate electricity. Firstly, let's see, this is an important example of sugar, use of sugar. So firstly, cane top is used